While paying for a single cup of chai on the roadside, buying groceries, recharging your mobile, sending money to a friend, or even booking flight tickets for your dream vacations, UPI has become the lifeline of daily transactions. Probably the number one digital payment option for us Indians. It has crossed 10 billion transactions in a single month in the year 2023. That's UPI for you. It's a fact that UPI has made digital payments more faster and convenient, but at the same time, it has made it more vulnerable to digital frauds. This is not because of the reason that there is an issue with the UPI itself, but because of the mode of deceptions. And one common pattern followed by the scammers, that is to create fear and a sense of urgency so that the victim acts incidentally without thinking much. One such real life incident happened with the lady when she got a call from an unknown person claiming that she's going to get a refund of an LIC money of her father and asked her to share her UPI details. Then the scammer transferred a smaller amount into her UPI and she confirmed that by checking on the SMS while being on call with the scammer. After that, the scammer initiated the larger amount, which was the remaining amount of the 25,000 rupees as he claimed to send her. When the message was received, it was for rupees 50,000 rupees. And as planned, the scammer asked the lady to return the money. This was enough to ring her alarm bells. And when she cross-checked her bank account, there was no such money of 50,000 amount was received as claimed in the message. When she confronted the man, he just vanished. With a little caution, this lady could save her money. However, in a similar incident with another person who landed in an identical situation, could not save her money from losing out to the scammers because she could not understand the scheme of the fraud well in time. Beware, and let's understand some similar tactics used by scammers for digital payments via UPI. One common tactic used by scammers is by sending you unauthorized payment links. These unauthorized links look similar to original websites. When you click on these links, they take you to your digital UPI application on your phone, and before you know, your information is hacked and your money is gone in no time. Another common tactic followed by the cyber criminals is by sending you a smaller amount of money through the UPI payments app like Google Pay, Paytm or PhonePe. They then call you and say that it was mistakenly sent to you and ask you to return the money. They will always show a sense of urgency and ask you to return the money via a link they'll share with you. Once you click on the link, the similar story happens. Your account gets hacked and you lose control of your digital payment app to the hacker. QR codes are also exploited. Scammers will convince you that you will receive the money via a QR code, often pretending that you have won a lottery prize or a long due refund. Once you scan those QR codes, it will ask you for your UPI PIN. And when you enter your UPI PIN, instead of giving you the money, it will deduct the money from your account. To protect yourself from digital scams, remember some important things while using UPI as a digital payment method. Firstly, beware of fake apps. Download only official UPI apps from trusted sources like Google Play Store and App Store to avoid phishing scams. Second, never share your UPI pins with anyone, not even with bank officials. No legitimate bank will ask you ever for your UPI pins under any circumstances. Third, avoid clicking on suspicious links. Scammers always trick you to use links to share your personal and financial information. Only input your UPI PIN on the dedicated PIN page of the authorized apps. Always follow the golden rule of receiving money. Your UPI PIN is required only to send money. There is no requirement of using a UPI PIN for receiving the money. And the similar rule follows in the case of QR codes. If you become a victim of the fraudulent transaction already, you can do this following actions. Immediately make a report of the same transaction to your payments bank. Report this incident to your nearest local cyber cell authority of your locality. You can also file a complaint at the National Payments Corporation of India at their official portal npci.org.in. In rare cases, if the issue still has unresolved after 30 days of making the complaint at the cyber cell, you can always write a written complaint to the banking ombudsman for digital payments. These are senior bank officials who are appointed by RBI, those who redress customer complaints for digital transactions. For more details, you can visit their website as mentioned on the screen. A little caution can go a long way in protecting your UPI payments and make them safe and secure. Let's outsmart the scammers by spreading the awareness and making UPI transaction a safe space for all of us. And I'll catch you on the other side of another such informative video.